In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to change your name on Facebook. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open up the Facebook app. Then tap on the menu button in the bottom right hand corner. Now tap the settings icon in the top right hand corner. Tap see more in account center. Click on profiles and select the specific profile that you would like to change. Tap on name. Click on the name and make whatever changes you would like. Keep in mind that once you make these changes, you won't be able to change them for another 60 days. And that's how to change your name on Facebook. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.